Hello and welcome to this myTRBK tutorial video series. My name's Dave and I'm going to be talking through how to make a tour from start to finish. And in this video, it's the simplest one of the lot, we're just going to create the tour. So I'm going to go to Tours and I'm going to click up here to create tour, or you can click down here. So I'm going to click create tour. And in this series, I'm going to use the band name The Beetroots. Spelt sort of similar to another popular British band from the 60s. And the tour name is going to be Beetroots for Sale UK Tour 2020. That's going to be the tour name, and the company name is going to be Garden Grown Band Limited. And the tour is going to run from the 1st of May until the 8th of May. And then I'm going to click create my tour. So here goes. Our tour has been created. See you in the next video.